Same way maka na mesa aka na bi o me say obi ye nod na so NPP ana obi ye nod na no NDC a omunyansa no ya abro mo bekasa no saa mre na obehu de onim nyansa me say obi free voter no NPP ni obi free voter no NDC ni a omunyansa no omukasa saa mre na obehu de onim nyansa na video ya ebusuamba be yi a kire we enyo bi a ofiri no for ye NPP ni na obeka nyansa sembi ama wonhu de nti ameka say regardless of where the person is coming from so ye NPP ni a nyansa won de tiremu no emu oduru sing so ye NDC ni aya Ghana Nsem TV idi am jeso aye promise ebusuya men say wo mwe no ma yembo hu dem na ebusu ye nhwe video na mbra de wi a na enso aba be kire ya adwen e wo
Frafra DJ wo kasa wa ho ma we ni nya adwuma mi video na me koye no enye se to obo Carlos asama wo kan na me fo se wa ya de o ena nye se ye me de se ye be diri no ordinance atem na mo me se wo be sai energy e dia fight sa yi no e mo sai sa energy no na fa ma ye mpenim fo nya we se ye bre menya order normal standard o menya normal kora chese mi ye hiani popro bibia ni mi ho enuta mi suchira mi mpenim fo no nti se mi mete wono se obi di matama mi wi atam didie no because mi nim se ni ntama odi matam no obi a wo se wo ye no owo ho nti mi di ma ni bi so wo no se oye de o me hie wo se wo ye ma me no e ma me a ye ndi matam bi o aya yusu we o se wo kasa na wo didi mi ma me atam wo didi papa atam mi ni adaja mi didi obi atam because o ma me nim no o papa me nim no ne wo no ma me ya wo ya ma o papa ne o ma me de mi ntimi nka ho asem but me say se me menya adaje se me ko Trouble Carlos no de dabi me mpenimfo a me to abama o mo no whether we NDC ana we NPP me fight ono se wonye de ehia emma me wo ka se me say do mama feli Ghana for nti wonti ase na ye den wo feli Ghana for ana wo to ano ko bolaga e da adwuma na ye no ho pa e pesia nwa sorry confirm ene nkoko ye no ho a ye kama ye diska ko asa o mkonko ye confirm na bi assistant o man kasa o mato ko burkina ndi ka san confirm na ye o mo no sen ka o mo kina ya anka hwan na be benefit enya bolaga fo enya notness ndi mimi ko bolga menya confirm na no bi we anka menya ko si anto ho ya ka sama na we na to babi na wo babe ji atem mimi ndi atem me hwe me videos nyina me nya video ndi atem na momunu me kind of facts me the issues ena eba why me ndi atem nti se wo kasa nsebi na ye hu se wenu eya adwuma me awudi matem he mente kora minim se wadi matam ne mo me se wo so kora ka ho fa sa platform no advocate problems are wo e wo no e kire mpenim fo wo Fatima NDC no pesa wo win no metra wo sa kwa me nya sa na me ye no me Fatima NPP because the omo ye ma ye no me hu kakra nte me Fatima omo se na ba ya sa omo stand win ya me sa pesa wo mo na omo ye bi aka ho. We are not talking just like talking. Now me pay attention. Every higher then. Yet come out. Bisa on konko duanua. Oko duanua no problem. E problem ye duanua. Osi duanu nyinasi. Sika no wadi. Momma ye hu se ne omo ye no e haye. Me mfa ho se wo NDC ana wo NPP because wo no me tawe o video pa me pe wasem. Mfa ho se wasan abedi matam class still me ta so pe wasem. But me see Frafra DJ advocate problems are no e kire mpenim fo no me de hia me na no wo pa wo da san be di matam sen by me say still kwa me pe wasem emfa ho se wo NDC because we nipa we am fan na me follow da anya se bia we na wo kan ntamasa mbesa akwa unfollow still me follow but me say ye problems na ye wo no mo ma ye no ye penim fo na afuri no fo no o mu hu because ye won penim fo wo bebre NPP mo NDC mo ye won penifo ho omo twa omo ni embe how I won omo solve say be ya ma ja say omo di atemtem bia no ade ne ka san mo use ya dwen sa na mo ba atem bia atem di nkwa mo be di atem ane no ano wo to be Carlos kan wo ko di na atem san wo ye ne sen kura di na wanya kurum se mo ye ya wo se won pin san mo ya wo se won pin san nti still san wo be ku hwana ye ka sama ye pese muti no mo bia se nyete bia ye pese kasa na ye de keke ana se pese nya attention na me fanya de me da attention ye de me hie ni de mi fam no me nim se me yonko bi su fam ne ho asam na me complain anya wo party de fa ho ben so wo NDC na me wo NPP a se anu no kese wo nya me nua ba se bibi ba no kese wo NDC ntima me nka ho asem ade wo nka NPP asam da
bon send ye abrantie no esi tackle issue no wa abra okasa in the right way also okasa na mom no on fa tem didi and having a conversation nanso se nkeye menua a se be mpleduasa oye NDC ni a nanka the first statement no be ye aboa kwasiya jimifo de obedi watema de o maame no wapampo a oni momo awa be ka ho be denti ya because de one wo anawo ka no one wo nya adwem nanso nke ki hu die democracy no obia ne na adwenkyere enu nti se woni me nya adwen a enu nkyere se bia me yegimifo se obi ka bibi na woni ne nya adwen a enu nkyere se sa nipa ne di na tem na emom no obe enlight sa nipa no a cheche ne de nti a wo feel so de o ka no woni no nya adwen ye won no kre ene ye won tro na emom no ye wo me ne kre ene ye wo no kre na no kre na nkasa nso ye den e wo honom. So the earlier you understand this, the better for all of us. But what is happening? What is happening today is that we have people who comes from that political party to the National Demonic Congress, and I say the National Deceiving Congress, NDC. Mobota ye assume nisu nyane say umbe deceiving nipa. No mama nipa believe it say obi ye nipa sin obi. And until na ultimately judge bi man kwatena waka say even though we are all equal before the law, but there are some people omu enim sin obi. That is where you understand the reason why I'm saying that the moment you join that political party, your sense of reasoning and your sense of understanding is so ethic. And Ghana ranked as the 8th country with the lowest IQ in the world, because of this reason. You see, so it is something that has been going on, and I know, say you, Grandpa, will share me. You've observed this. I know some of my northern brothers, my Fanti, my area brothers, my Ghana brothers, my how do you call it, Bono brothers, what was the other one? The Ghana Dangbes and all those stuffs, right? You see, if the person is from the MPP side, whenever they are making their submissions, you will understand what they want to tell you. They will make submission without attacking or insulting you. But when it's the other way around, boy, there is a problem. And that's what we have been talking about all this while. That is what we have been talking about all this while. But see, I voted for a particular person who comes from a particular political party. So if someone is saying that, maybe I'm free, this is the problem that we are having now. The best thing I can do is that nipa na mesumani say onko murashe bedwemu onko tena the office of the presidency no fa hye papa mbreme no ta nipa na mesu adan no say baby am free no say na ha me o enti gana be boa me na mom nipa na oka asem na kire me no na ma akodi na tem na so Frafra DJ ono no ewo ya no side no eba be di ya branti ya ono ni nyina fix the matem just because or kind of credit they are no yes the credit no ya ayese ekuro etu se emia kuro no year kuro no enwu na emia ne year be ye oya na so kuro no be den ebewu eye no kure no na taa nkofo no omuchini na emani gie se ende yenyanyanwa no mu bia omu free side ho no mu na omu ka no kure no e de akire e kire omu se emfa won se ha na wo free na wato abɛnti ne so obi ka na kra kyerɛ wɔbɛka sɛ mfa ɛwɔ sɛ wotie na wode no kra ne yɛden ɛyɛ adwuma wotie na wode yɛden wode yɛ adwuma and that is what we have been talking about. What you are saying? So I'm very happy that Ghanaians are beginning to see the difference between these two political parties. I'm very happy. Ebusi how Ghana and Sem TV said they be American Mr. Oba. Now share video now. Obe like you know what share. Watch the video comment section. Now watch share video so that my man for any biashwe. The more we like it, the more we comment you know. The more it reach more people, the more they know the reason why whenever they are going to vote, they will make a right decision. Send a beya, a bebo mongasa, omodachi, and your nananum, and your mamba, a dachi. Ebusuya, that was it, so young to was here, that would say, a Sunday for a beblo, and race him.